What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to T3G. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, I think that's probably better. Obviously, today we're talking about a light, probably the cheapest and best light you can get under 50 bucks coming up.
Come on.
So today we're going to be talking about the Commlite CM-L50, and right now we're at the highest of its 6 different brightness settings, and it's actually kind of hard to look at. So we're going to go down two levels here, and I think this is more kind of appropriate. I can see the screen behind it. I actually have it set off the camera on a little rail so that I can put it kind of wherever I need to, specifically because I have a mic on top of the camera, so I can't use the adapter that it comes with for the cold shoe to attach it to the camera directly. But it comes with a cold shoe adapter and a 1/4-20 adapter, so you can pretty much attach it to anything. On top of that, it comes with a phone holder that actually has 3 different mounting points that you can mount to a tripod and mount the light to it through using the 1/4-20 adapter to get really anything done that you need to if you are a phone shooter. It comes with 3 different diffusers for different lighting situations. There's a blue, an orange, and a white, which I have on right now. And of course, it comes with a charging cable because indeed, this is an internal battery and it does not require batteries, which I think is the major key in this situation. Now, as you can see here, we blacked out the basement here so that I can really kind of show off this. This is the other window here. And then if we turn this bad boy on, this is just the lowest setting. You can see a little bit of detail. And if we go up the 8 different levels, you can see all the way across to the other side of the room. Whereas if you go down, you can't see much farther than your own feet.
Let me up, dog.
Yeah, this guy, invisible, unless I do this. Look at him. Look at him, he's so pretty. It is very bright. Now, mine did come pre-charged, and it's actually got a pretty solid charge out the gate. I think right now, if I push the button, fully charged still, and I've been playing around with it for about 20 minutes. This is really good. I mean, look, I'm right here. I'm at the other wall, and we're still fully lit. You can see the floor. You can see floor details. Everything is good. Everything is good. The mess, obviously, if you guys are fans of the channel, you know why the mess is here, so I'm not gonna try to explain that away. But this is an outstanding light. I've got it attached. Let's get a mirror. I've got it attached just like so with this little bar that I picked up. It came with one of my camera sets, but this is outstanding. I mean, you can see how little this thing is. It is, I think, like 2 by 3.5 inches. It's tiny. It's tiny. You could pocket it. You could have it be a little backlight. It's just great for any situation. If you need to get shots of your dogs in the dark, you can. Are you waiting for food? Is that what you want? Look at her. Excited. You love being on camera. You're a natural star. So I'm back on my main lights. I've got 2 of these on this wall. I've got the main light that's not pointing directly at me. And if I wanted to use this as, let's say, a key light, look at the difference. Look at this difference. And it's just from this tiny thing. This tiny thing, and it changes the entire lighting situation. I mean, if you want some dramatic, some where were you on the night of the 14th? Or some ghost stories, this is all you need. This tiny thing. Now, let's talk about these filters. If you are gonna shoot something like ghost stories, you might not want the white filter on there. You're gonna want one of the other 2 included, and I would probably go with the orange to simulate your campfire. Look at that. Look at that. You can flicker it a little bit and get a little coverage. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm telling campfire stories. Absolutely love this thing. Now, full transparency, I did receive a refund for this. I was contacted to provide them with a review on Amazon, and they would provide me a refund. So cool, whatever. But I'm genuinely glad that I have this. We have been in many situations where there is not enough light and I don't have something small enough, or I don't have something with me at all. This is something that can be in the bag at all times, and I'm never gonna be without a light. I think this is the absolute best light you can get. Now, this is rated up to 60 minutes at the brightest setting, or if you're at the low setting, up to 18 hours of shooting. Now, realistically, you're not shooting even 60 minutes straight with just this one light. More than likely, this is gonna be for your run and gun option. This is gonna be something you're gonna want to whip out whenever you need a light last minute. You're out somewhere and this is in your pocket, this is in your bag, this is really anywhere. I mean, do you see how tiny this thing is? I love this thing. I love this thing. I'm going to get another one because I'm gonna rely on these, I think, probably more than I should, but I don't wanna spend $150 on a bigger light because A, bigger hassle to deal with, B, expensive. Let's be real, let's be honest, expensive. $150, $100 for a light. Yeah, they're cool, they're nice for, you know, sit down installations where you can, you know, set up a shooting space, but for running gun shooting, which is a lot of what we do, this is gonna be awesome. I mean, for the wedding.
Wedding or
yeah,
doing night stuff like around town.
Night stuff, if we're doing the car shows at night, this is gonna be major key. It's super simple to operate. You have one power button on top, and that's also what you press when it's on to get your power reading. You have your up and down controls for the brightness, which is really actually nice when you wanna just do a gradual jump. You can hold and it will actually change brightness gradually up or down depending on what you're holding. So that's super cool. And then you have your charging port on the side, micro USB standard. You've got 1,000 of those cables. So because of that, it'll work with any battery backup. It'll work with pretty much any adapter. I mean, again, micro USB, it's a small device. You have something to charge it even if you lose the cable that it does come with. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a cold shoe adapter, so adjustments so you can tighten it down there and adjustments so you can tighten it to the actual light. It's got a 1/4-20 hole on it. It has the phone holder, which has 3 mounting points on the back, bottom, and top. And then of course it comes with the 1/4-20 adapter, same kind of concept, except it just plugs into 1/4-20 on either end. Like I said, I'm gonna be picking up another one. I think this is gonna be a great tool. Because it's so small, it's gonna be one of those things that it doesn't make a huge difference in your backpack. It doesn't make a huge difference if you're traveling. It's not a large enough factor for you not to bring it. And I think it's an invaluable tool if you do bring it. I love this thing. Links down below, affiliate links, of course. I cannot recommend this more, possibly. That's gonna be it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. We are back, obviously, Wednesday, App Spotlight, Friday, gaming video. We're back. Big things. Thanks for everyone who said something about the news I dropped in the community section. That was definitely something that had to be dealt with, and it's been a rough couple weeks, but we're back at it, and we're gonna be producing more content. Really cool stuff. We've got some really cool ideas, and we've got some really fun stuff that we've been playing with the last few weeks. So thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.